Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML semantic elements. Many websites contain HTML code like div element. Inside the div element, they can have ID is equal to nav, and again they can have class is equal to header, and also they can have ID is equal to footer to indicate navigation, header, and footer. In HTML, there are some semantic elements that can be used to define different parts of a web page. For example, article element, aside element, details element, caption element, figure element, footer element, header element, main element, mark element, nav element, section element, summary element, and time element. They are all semantic elements which you can use if you definitely need semantic element. You can use all these elements. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. But before I go, make sure you practice, because all these things I'm showing you, I'm just showing you a tip on these things. I'm still going to show you some examples, some ways you can use them in the future. So have this in mind. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.